Hello, I'm Leo, the technical staff of ITC Group. Now we are at the Audio-Visual Experience Room in the exhibition hall. Today, I'm gonna take you to a basic journey to experience the ultimate effect of ITC audio-visual system and the stage lighting. Now, let's have a look. First, let me introduce the wireless microphone I'm holding now. This set of microphone includes a receiver and two handheld wireless microphones. Let's look at the microphone first. This microphone utilizes phase-locked loop synthesis. It can give microphones a reliable and a wide operating range of up to a maximum of 150 meters distance. With a broad frequency response, this microphone unit can effectively suppress ambient noise and convey an advanced audio effect. What's more, the large capacity battery delivers up to 6 hours of continuous use of microphone at average temperatures. Speakers on the left side are mainly suitable for conference room, while the other on the right side are for lecture halls and stages. Now let me introduce TM-10 speaker. The woofer and tweeter of this speaker are imported from Italy. It works with professional amplifier and audio processor to deliver a perfect sound effect. Here is ITC Line Array Full Range Speaker KH-208 series. It is composed of a subwoofer and 4 full-range speakers. This is TL-SL712 lighting console. We can adjust colors and lighting effects by pushing buttons or turning wheels. A maximum of 400 lamps can be controlled through this monitor panel. ITC stage lighting can present a stunning visual effect. Here we can see moving headbeam light TL-SL171. It comes with 11 colors mixing and 14 gobos to display creative patterns in multiple colors. Thanks to 2 rotatable axes, the light beam can be positioned and moved freely in the room. Featuring wide coverage area and super bright LEDs, it is definitely the best choice to light up the stage. Now let's move to the Starry Skylights TL-LT402. Dimming, rotation degree, and speed can be adjusted manually. This starry skylight fills walls and ceilings with stars, giving an amazing visual effect. With this light, we can marvel at the night sky indoors. Here we meet ITC LED video wall of 1.667 pixel pitch. With seamless splicing and ultra-high resolution pitches, it conveys an impactful visual experience with excellent image quality. Now, let me demonstrate various combination modes of the audio-visual systems.
Hello, I'm Leo. Testing.
The integration of microphone and the panel lights forms the speech mode. The ITC microphone conveys a crystal clear audio effects covering a wide range in the indoor room. Together with the panel light, it is ideal for the applications in the lecture halls and conference rooms.
To all the way in front of me. Marks overhead.
7.1 Dolby Atmos can present an extraordinary listening experience. It reveals every detail of the audio with unparalleled clarity and depth. Its full-range capability enables the sound to cover theaters, stadiums, and conference rooms.
More dimensional. There's no need to wonder.
Let's stand on the middle of the stage to enjoy an amazing audio-visual experience. Combined with this LED video wall of ultra-small pixel pitch, we can immerse ourselves in the lifelike 4K image display and superior sound quality. This advanced set of this system is usually applied in the cinemas, theaters, and so on. This is all detailed introduction of the systems in audio-visual experience room. We hope you have gained a better understanding of the actual effects. For more information, please visit our website www.itctech.com.cn.